today we have a special package. This package is coming directly from Australia. You can see it there, Australia. So this package right here is going to be a restoration for a friend who lives in Australia, and he wants okay, let's take a look. Oh look, I got a gift. Thank you very much. I've never seen one of these. This is awesome. Really appreciate your gift. Thank you so much. Now, let's take a look. What do we have here? This definitely inside. Special package. Now, okay, we have, oh, James. James is in need of a restoration. Definitely we are going to do it, not a problem. It looks like the whiteboard was painted with brush. Yeah, this will be a nice restoration from Australia. Next, I see it's green and the attached fender. And I think this is Henry. Yep, Henry, look at this. Henry needs a restoration too. Okay. Looks like what's the date? 2008 material. Is it 28? Okay. Oh, this wheel is broke right here. I mean the part that holds the wheel is broken. So we can find another part to fix it. What's this? Is this tape? Oh, it's kind of tape. It actually the paint comes off really easily. I think it's paint. I mean paper, sticker paper, something. Yep. Okay, but the most important engine is right here. Look, Oliver. Yeah, Oliver is in need of a restoration too. So this video is just to show our friend that his package has arrived. Let's take a look at Oliver. Oh, Oliver has a little scratch over here. We can sand it, repaint it, and the face needs a touch up. Really careful touch up. Actually, I gotta fix that scratch dent. We are going to need to sand it, paint it with so much love. Yeah, look at that, Oliver. He needs a wash. He needs a touch up right over here with gold paint. Nice. Let's open Oliver and see how he is on the interior. Of course, Henry needs a rewiring. Yeah, needs a rewiring. Also, James, they need a major work job too. Oh, okay. Now the thing is, looks like Oliver has a broken gear or still working. We are going to give Oliver a major restoration on the interior. He needs new gears, maybe. Love on the gears, everything. Yeah, Oliver is in good hands. Oh, look at here, we need to repaint the sides right over here. Yeah, also here. I'm going to sand a little bit maybe, and here we need to touch up the buffers. Okay, what do you guys think? I don't usually do commissions, and this will not be paid. I'm not charging because our friend is shipping these engines from Australia, and I understand it's a lot. I mean, to ship from Australia to the US and back to Australia. So I'm not going to charge our friend for this service. I will do it with my pleasure. I will not charge anything. And we'll see how we finish this work. This video is just to show our friend that we received his package right over here, and we are going to work on this project in the next couple of days. So hope you understand that I'm really busy right now, but I'm gonna find a time to fix it. We're gonna start with Oliver right here. Yes, definitely Oliver. Maybe tomorrow. I can see a little pieces of plastic between the gears right over there. So definitely Oliver needs a major restoration. Excellent. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Over and out.